Everyone, this is Sheikh Muhammad Shafi. I am back with another video and another topic. Today, this video is sponsored by Vakil360.in. Today, I am going to explain the complete name change process through Gazette publication in India. Okay, we call it Bharat Ka Rajpath, the Gazette of India. Before we are moving into the topic, please like and share this video so that it can be helpful to the people. Okay, so let's get into the topic. So many people think name change is very simple, but legally it has to be done proper manner. If you do one small mistake, it may cost you your passport or Aadhaar or any bank related documents get rejected. So in this video I will explain each and every step in a very simple language how the Gazette publication works, and it helps to the people to change their names in their documents. So before we understand the entire step-by-step process and required documents, we need to understand the overview process. What majorly a Gazette publication? Let me first explain the process. So name change is not just one step, it's a three-step legal process. First, affidavit. Second, newspaper publication. Third, official Gazette. Okay, only after completing all these properly, your name change becomes legally valid, right? So what are the reasons for name change? Now many people ask me, why do people change their names? There may be many reasons, like people change their name after marriage or after divorce, and someone change their religion and they want to change their names according to the religion, and astrological reasons, like people want to change their names as per the astrology whoever follows, and some of them are personal choices. Okay, based on personal preferences they want to change their spellings in names or names. Okay, so whatever the reason may be, it must be genuine and legally acceptable. So what are the eligibility and conditions? There are three main criteria for which it is eligible to change the name. Okay, the first one is age and consent. There must be 18 plus. Okay, if you are 18 years or above, you can apply by yourself. If it is for minor, then parents or guardians must give consent. The second criteria is it should be a valid reason, legitimate reason, not for fraud or illegal purposes. The third is government ID proof. You must have a valid government ID proof with your old name. Okay? Without ID proof, Gazette cannot be processed. So these are the main three criterias. And now, where is Gazette valid? So where people use the Gazette publication. So once Gazette publication is done properly, it is valid everywhere. It is accepted for passport, Aadhaar, PAN, bank records, educational certificates, and all government offices as well. That is why Gazette publication is very much important. So documents required. Now let us see what documents are required. So you need your Aadhaar card or government ID proof, affidavit, newspaper publication, and application documents. Each document must be prepared in a very correct format. So otherwise your publication can be rejected. So now it's a main three-step process: affidavit, newspaper, Gazette publication. It looks like very simple, as it, we have prepared a three-step process, but practically it involves a proper drafting and correct format and proper submission. Otherwise it will not be acceptable. Okay, so let's see the step by step, each and every step in detailed manner. Now I'll be explaining the first step, which is preparing an affidavit. So in this affidavit, you declare your old name and your new name. If only first name or last name is changing, notary attestation is usually sufficient. But if you are changing complete surname, then SDM, Tahsildar, Judicial Magistrate seal may be required. So very important point here is the affidavit consent must be always in English, not any other language or regional language. Wrong affidavit format is one of the most common reasons for rejection. So next, the second step is newspaper advertisement. So you have to give one advertisement in any national level newspaper. Okay, only one, not two ads. Okay, the advertisement must be in English, and it must include old name, new name, father's or husband's name, or full address, declaration of name change. And please keep the original newspaper. Once it is published in the newspaper, get a copy and save somewhere safely, so that in later stage you can submit it for uh, Gazette publication. And the third step is you must submit documents to the Department of Publications in Delhi, whether physically or through courier. What documents are required? What documents are you need to include in the submission process? One is request letter, 2 affidavit, 3 newspaper copies, 4 old ID proof. So all can be submitted by visiting the office physically. Okay, so this is the final legal recognition of your name change. Let me give you the complete submission of checklist. Along with that, also you need to notarize the affidavit, original newspaper, self-attested ID proof, payment receipts of Bharat Post payment receipt once you make a payment, and signature copies, and sometimes soft copy submission as well. If any document is missing or wrongly arranged format, your application may get rejected. So now the main critical part is Vakil 360 handle the end-to-end process in a very professional way, whether it is from drafting the affidavit or publishing the ad or submission of Gazette. So everything is done here legally and professionally. Common problems people face is, or many people try to do it by themselves or through agents. Common problems includes application gets rejected, getting delay in publication, wrong format, delays, or fake agents. Gazette must be done legally and correctly. So one small mistake can delay your passport or other important documents. So what I urge to you people, this process involves legal drafting and proper compliance. So that is why it is always better to consult any legal professional who understands the government procedures properly, not approaching any other third party persons. So please reach out to any legal consultant to assist of your Gazette publication. So if you need any help with the Gazette publication or name change process, you can reach out to Vakil 360 team. They will help out and help you to get your Gazette publication done. So thank you for watching this video. This video is for legal information purpose. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.